Let's be honest, you've been trying to change for a while now. You say things like, I am done being this version of me. You watch all the right videos, you feel inspired for a day, and then it fades. And suddenly, you're right back where you started scrolling, distracting, escaping, telling yourself you'll start again on Monday. But deep down, you know it's not Monday's fault. It's yours. You're not stuck because you don't know what to do. You're stuck because you keep avoiding what needs to be done. You've built this safe little bubble of comfort where pain can't reach you but neither can growth. You tell yourself you're waiting for the right time, but the truth is, you're waiting for life to magically feel easier, and it won't. Every time you choose comfort, you reinforce the same identity you're trying to outgrow. Look, you've had moments when you almost changed, moments when you felt unstoppable, and then one small failure pulled you back and you convinced yourself it was over. You made one mistake and called it the end instead of calling it part of the process. You started measuring progress by perfection instead of persistence. And that's why you quit, not because you couldn't do it, but because you expected change to feel easy. Listen, I get it. You're tired of fighting the same battle every day. You want to move forward, but something inside you keeps pulling you back. It's not weakness, it's fear. Fear of who you could become if you actually followed through. Because if you do change, you can't hide behind excuses anymore. Growth isn't supposed to feel safe. It's supposed to hurt a little. That's how you know it's working. So, here's the truth: you don't need more motivation. You need more honesty. Ask yourself, what am I running from? What am I avoiding every time I pick comfort over progress? Because once you face that truth, you'll realize you were never stuck. You were just scared to move. Change doesn't happen when you're ready. It happens when you're done living the same story. You don't need a new life. You just need the courage to leave the old one behind. You're not broken. You're just repeating a pattern that no longer fits who you are. And the day you stop running from the pain is the day you finally become free.